Folks, once again, we're in Montrose, Colorado. We've got this 2006 Peterbilt 378 truck, and we're just going to take it for a little test drive here so you guys can kind of see it shift and drive, and we'll kind of run the Jake brake and the oil retarder as well so that you guys can see that those work. So we're just going to kind of cycle through a few gears. We probably won't get going real fast because we're on a county road, but just so you guys can kind of see and hear this truck run from the inside and see how it shifts. All right, so there you got it, guys. Little truck is pretty straight little truck, ready to go. 505,000 miles on it, and pretty straight little truck. So give us a call if you have any questions, guys, and we appreciate you taking the time to look.